We just did a big Bath & Body Works haul, and we thought we would talk about some of this. We've got, because Easter's coming, we picked up the
Peeps collection.
So we've got a little bit of Peeps here, and I'm going to let her take a look at what we got and give you guys a little sense of what it is.
So Peeps, Peepin' It Real body cream. It's yellow and it smells like Peeps.
Let me see.
It's nice and soft.
So very colorful. It's the ultimate hydration body cream. We've got all the little Peeps. We've got pink, yellow, blue. Oh, it smells a lot like cocoa, doesn't it? Or
Yeah.
cocoa butter. What else you got in there?
The other thing we have is the Peepin' It Real fine fragrance mist.
Oh, wait a minute. Hang on. Look what we have here.
Ooh, let's see here.
Spray one of these strips. This is what they're doing in the stores now.
Spring. That smells good.
What's it called?
It just says fine fragrance mist. It's Peepin' It Real.
All right. Well, it's pretty...
It's for your body and your hair. You can spray this in your hair to make it smell good if you've let your hair go a couple days without washing it.
Okay. So it's more of just a fine fragrance mist.
My hair smells
Nothing
good now.
super strong. What else we got?
And the next thing we have is the Peepin' It Real body wash for your shower. Let's see what that smells like. That's nice and creamy, clear. It still kind of have the same.
So it's all basically the same
scent.
Same sense, huh?
Soft. Makes your skin feel soft. It's so
Pro Vitamin B5 and Aloe.
nice. And that's what we have in our basket.
So that's what the Peeps is all about. So you've kind of have some very colorful, fun
Peeps.
Peeps, which, you know, kind of like an Easter feel, right? Disney Princess, take a look at that.
So we have the Disney Princess collection of the small bottles of the body mist. There's several different flavors. There's 7 bottles in here. They it's like Mulan, Snow White, Rapunzel, Bella.
Yeah, so it's basically all their popular mist fragrances for the Princess line. So you can get them all in one box.
Yes.
2.5 ounces.
Yeah. So
Pump bottles.
pump bottles, yes.
Viva Brazil fine fragrance mist. Let's see what that smells like. That smells a lot like kind of flowery.
Let me smell it.
See what you think.
Ooh, I like that. Yeah, that smells really good. It's almost like a cherry. That one's my favorite so far.
We've got Dreaming of Rio here, another mist. I don't know how much Dreaming of Rio I'm doing, but I need some more there. That one I doesn't.
Oh,
That was not too strong. See what you think.
I love
I'm not,
that one too.
I'm not picking up on it.
It smells like passion fruit. I like that one too.
Now the Viva Brazil body cream here as well. So that's got the exact same as the fragrance, of course, but in a lotion.
Almost smells edible.
Tutti Frutti Candy. Now that sounds interesting. Gentle and clean foaming hand soap. You picked out some hand soap. See what that's like.
Yes. You put the
Tutti Frutti.
Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti. That smells good too. That smells like jelly beans.
Yeah, so Tutti Frutti is like jelly beans. So now here's some more body wash from the Princess Aurora. See what you think of that. While she's digging into that, oh, looky here.
More body wash. I'm gonna not need a bath tonight.
Easter morning mimosa. Ooh, mimosa.
That one smells good too.
Ready for this? Here's some mimosa. Let's go. 3-wick candle. Woo! The surprise in that baby. Wow.
Smells like oranges.
That's strong.
We should have a mimosas now.
Yeah. Well, we could burn this Have a mimosa.
So what we have here is a couple different spray.
Oh, so they have room mists.
Yes, you could put those in your bathroom.
Now, mahogany teakwood is really popular.
When your guest comes over and uses your bathroom. This one's pink pineapple.
I mean, I'm not going to keep putting everything on me.
Well, this is a
Whoa!
peach coconut.
Look at that. That has
Give me some of those.
some spray. Well, we know what mahogany teakwood. I didn't know that you could get it in a concentrated room spray. So that's what these are, concentrated room sprays. You can find your favorites and get them in a room spray.
This one here is
Now, don't spray me.
beach coconut. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I don't care for that one.
Really just gonna keep on digging.
That would make your room not smell so good. This one here is pink pineapple sunrise.
Whew.
Do you like
the room
it?
is starting to smell. Wakakiki beach coconut body cream.
Pineapple flavor.
Wow. We got it going on now.
Oh, and if you have little kids that likes to put things on their backpacks, these are little keychains that you put your hand sanitizer in.
Well,
Put that on your backpack or on your purse.
those are cute.
Those are real cute.
Yeah.
They got several different ones. This one here looks like a little, what is that?
That's some kind of little fish.
And this one here is a duck. And this one here is pineapple.
Ah, cute.
Those are cute.
All right, now think about being in Hawaii on the beach, because that's what that is.
I want to be in Hawaii and the beach. Let's go to the beach.
We got a little bit of everything here.
Yeah. Joey, let's go to the beach.
Oh, check this out. So we've got, this is White Barn car fragrance, vent or visor clip. Neat. So you have your little dishes that would go in here.
A little disc. It's got your fragrance
This
in it.
is another Waikiki Beach coconut. And just put them in your car, open this up, slide it in. I don't know whether I can get it open.
You got lotion on the end of your nose. Let's
Kinda
see.
cute.
Endless Week in another room spray.
I look, this one here for your car with
Easter.
Peeps. Kind of like a little peep. So they've got them in Easter. Car fragrances.
I'm not loving the room sprays. Not like I do the fragrance mist.
Well, they're more like toiletries, I think.
Yeah, I think so too.
Mahogany coconut, Wiki Beach, raspberry whipped vanilla. That sounds interesting. All for your car.
I'm going to be putting the Peeps one in my car.
Here you go. A couple more things for you.
So these here are these are lip gloss.
Ooh.
The different princess collections also, which I got enough lip gloss on right now, so I'm not going to try these right now, but I do have some on.
Okay, so I got Milan lip gloss. So it's part of the Disney Princess. Oh, look, Peeps has got one too. Peepin' It Real, and it is. It doesn't say. Well,
I don't
they're
think there's
sealed
any
up.
flavors to them. I just
Yeah.
think it's a lip gloss.
Okay. So they match the containers with all the other stuff that they
Princess
offer.
collection.
And we got some other Rapunzel here.
This one here is
And-
Ultimate Hydrating. It's another princess collection. You really need to go get some of these because they're selling them as fast as they're putting them on the stock shelf.
And I've got some more Ultimate Hydration Body Cream, Dreaming of Rio.
Dreaming of Rios.
Now just think, now you can do basically the whole line. Every you could get the 3-wick candle, the body cream,
The body spray.
the spray,
The body wash.
a body wash. You can match it all up. If you find one that you really really like, you can have an endless supply.
Yes, and the supplies.
Dreaming of Rio. Well, that's our haul for today.
Anything else in the bag?
No, it's empty.
So we were at the store and they're having a big sale. It was buy 3 get 3 free. Mix or match
Yeah.
with the Disney collection and some of their new fragrances.
Yeah, so with Easter coming, you can really load up a lot of different things for great little gifts or for yourself, of course. So check out Bath and Body Works because they have really upped their game. They are making everything look nicer and smell nicer.
Yes. Very nice. I'm very impressed. And I've been a Bath and Body Works customer for a very long time.
All right, we'll see you next time.
Thank you.